clear, as well as the overhead bins closed until we have them parked at the gate. Our flight deck crew will turn out the seatbelt sign when it is safe for you to stand. At that time, please use caution when opening the overhead compartments and removing your items, since your articles may have shifted during our flight. The use of wireless communication devices such as cell phones or PDAs is now permitted. Upon obtaining the aircraft, if you do have additional questions or perhaps require further assistance, there will be uniformed staff just inside the terminal readiness will be more than happy to help you. Customers making connections on U.S. Airways or U.S. Airways Express flight, and you check the television monitors for the most updated flight and gate connection information. This is the terminating point of our flight this afternoon, and on behalf of your entire crew, it has been a pleasure having